If you're in the market to buy a commercial property, congratulations. That means your business must be expanding, or you've decided to add an asset to your investment portfolio. So this is an exciting time for you. Whether you're looking to buy a commercial building, shopping centre, industrial property or retail investment, you've come to the right place, as Raine and Horne Commercial has been helping investors build their commercial portfolios for over 130 years. Buying with Raine and Horne Commercial means you have more than 35 offices working on your behalf in every capital city and many of Australia's largest regional cities. We believe that size doesn't matter. Whether you're a small business, corporate or private investor, we should be your only partner of choice. When you're ready to begin your search for the ideal property, Raine and Horne Commercial has thousands of listings to consider. And whether you're researching on mobile, tablet or PC, all the information you need is right here. If you need to know more, please download our buyer's guide or contact one of our agents who are always happy to help. Raine and Horne Commercial, local knowledge, national strength.